Hi, I'm Haydon Rogers and I'm from Altus Window Systems, and like most of you, I'm on lockdown and thinking about windows and doors. So when we think about windows and doors in terms of medium to high density, we've got lots of things to consider. The first one I'd like you to think about is buildability. How are we going to install the windows and doors on site? And there's two different methods which I'm going to have a quick chat to you about today. The first one is our small scale, so the medium density. If you consider yourself in a situation where you've got a 2-story townhouse, say, be it 6 units or 300, that's a very different situation to a 5-story plus apartment building. So the first product we're going to talk about is Smartfit. You've probably heard of it. It's a fantastic window system because it's so easy to install. We're going to have a quick look at the video showing the difference between a standard window installation and a Smartfit window installation.
The following Smartfit window was installed over 8 times faster than its standard equivalent. Cladding installation time was not included in the comparison for either window. So what makes Smartfit so much easier and faster to install? Firstly, the windows and doors are fully integrated, meaning they arrive on site with built-in sill support bars, head flashings, end dams and cavity closers. Secondly, the installation process is so much simpler. There is no need for PEF rods, silicons or expanding foams. Simply lift the window or door into the opening, screw into place and tape over the fixing fin. The opening is now completely sealed and you can move on to the next one. Be sure to ask for Smartfit on your next project.
So as you can see from that video, Smartfit is a heck of a lot easier to install, meaning you build your buildings faster and get them weathertight quicker, making the whole process nice and easy. Now let's look at the other example, the 5-story building. If we think about Smartfit going up 6 stories, 7 stories, 8, right up the way to 20, a fully made unit is not suitable. You have to get it through the scaffold or through the building, and to be quite frank, there's not enough room. So that's where we look at our more commercial systems. Obviously, we've got our curtain wall system where you have a whole lot of panels and they're stacked in on site, nice and easy. And we're thinking about apartments, we've also got doors to deal with. So that's where panelizing is also an advantage. Our Atlantic system and our flush glaze system blend perfectly together, so you get superior visual aesthetic performance across the whole building. I'm going to show you a video now that talks about our Euroslider door design. So the benefit of using a Euroslider is that it's outside sliding. So you have your fixed panel and then your sliding panels go in front of it. This gives us superior weather tightness and also better long-term maintenance. Compared to something like a channel track, we don't have room for dirt, dust, sand, salt to clog up those drain holes and cause leaking later on. So let's have a look at that video.
The Eurostacker is the ultimate and easy access indoor-outdoor flow. Available in multiple sizes, it provides wide openings for spaces of any size. The high-performance Eurostacker can stand at over 3 meters high, allowing more expansive views and natural light to stream in. What's more, a lot of attention has been paid to aesthetic detailing, with features such as equal height rails, square edges for clean lines, and low-profile flush sills.
So there you have it. 2 really simple solutions for you to think about on your next medium to high density project. Us here at Altus Window Systems, we're still working from home, like you guys, which means we're available to help out with specifying the suitable product for your building. Hope you have a great time for the rest of the conference and stay safe, and best regards from Altus Window Systems.